called ether channel. One of the main problems we discussed before in the lecture, we said if we have one switch and the switch is connected to another switch, like this one, see? This one is connected to another switch, like this. And the cable between the switches is connected with GIGA01 to GIGA01. The speed here is 10 gigabit per second. And there is another switch will be, let's say here, or user, connected to the switch. So the question is, what is the speed, the total speed, between these two, and these two? These two, this one, and this one. The speed is depend on
the channel.
The speed is depend on this cable. It's like a bridge. So the cable here is like a bridge. You know what I mean by bridge? So the traffic, this computer traffic, these two computer traffic, is going to this cable, to these networks, right? Right?
Yes.
So the question is, what is the speed now? It's 1 gigabit per second, depending on the one cable speed. Can I increase the speed?
Yes.
No, I will not change the cable. So what I can do, I can add another cable. Make two bridges.
No.
So when I do this, a small problem will occur. It's called spanning tree protocol. Spanning tree, what's mean by spanning tree? If you remember before, when we studied hub, we said in hub always send the broadcast, right?
Yes.
Remember this?
The first time.
Yes. No, hub always send broadcast. Switch send the first time. So when the message will go from here to here, here to here, and here to here, the message will always move like this until we have spanning storm of packets, which will cause the network to go down. So how to solve this? To solve this, a protocol came from Cisco. It's called the spanning tree protocol. The spanning tree protocol, what it will do, it will close one of the cables automatically. Let's see. Yes. شو السرعة على المدام ده؟ My love, okay. So if I use this switch, another switch, see, 3 switches. And then connect them. See, I will connect this one by using fast Ethernet to fast. And then I will connect this one Giga to Giga. And then I will connect this one fast to Giga. So I have 3 cables, right? If I fast forward time, what's happening? One of the cables is still red. You see this cable? Why it's red? Because spanning tree protocol stopped it. Why? So there is no storm. So when spanning tree works, it chooses one of the networks as a general. One of the switches, it will choose one of the switches as a main switch. So our topic is not about spanning tree. I want to show you why I explain spanning tree, because when I connect 2 cables together, spanning tree will work, see? So you have a red dot here. You see the red dot? So only one cable is working. So to solve this problem, another protocol will be implemented called Ether channel. Ether channel protocol. So Ether channel, what it does, it turns off the STP and make the connection full duplex. Remember duplex and simplex?
Send and receive.
Yes, send and receive. So there is no collisions. Okay, there is no collisions. So how to enable Ether channel? I will finish this one here. So I will go to the first switch. Always the connection between the switches must be what? Trunk. So config T interface gauge 0/1/2. Right? Yes. Okay, switch port mode trunk. So I will make this cable trunk. This is the first thing I will do. Tamam? Then I will enable the Ethernet channel protocol. So I will write channel, no, what was the command? Channel group, okay. So I will write now channel group, channel protocol. Channel protocol, Pajib and LASIK. Okay. So let's explain Pajib and LASIK. When we want to connect these two together, okay, when we want to connect them together, so we make the connection full duplex. The protocols working in Ethernet channel are two. One of them called LASIK and the other one called Pajib. Pajib is for Cisco, meaning the switches must be Cisco. Okay? LASIK is for international switch, like Huawei, Nokia, HP, and etc. Tamam? So we will use which one? Pajib. Channel protocol Pajib. Tamam? Then after that, after employing the channel protocol, I will make the first group one mode and Persian mode. We always use the automatic one. Let's use the active one, desirable one, sorry. So let's remind this. Channel group one, we choose Pajib as a protocol to connect Ethernet channel between the switches. Now we need to say this Pajib protocol must start working. So there are 5 types of working. One of them is called desirable. Desirable is enabling Pajib unconditionally, meaning here, if you enable desirable, any switch has a Pajib protocol, it will start working. Tamam? And because we already established a Pajib protocol, so it start working. So mode desirable. So now the cable is desirable. I need to do this on both interfaces, on both route switches. So I'll go to switch number 2. Enable, config T, channel interface, range, FA0 gauge, 0/2, switch port mode trunk. I think this switch is wrong switch. Then channel protocol, Pajib. Then channel group 1 mode desirable. Tamam? Now see all cables are red. See the cables are red. After 30 seconds, all cables are green. So now they are all working together in a one way of a group. Tamam? This is the configuration. Start with the configuration.